So, combining together again the drawing tablet here with the two half Dvorak keyboards, little StreamDeck in the middle to change the scenes and stuff with, well, the foundation of it all is a Keytar rather than the desk over, there. So it allows me to just have my tablet and my keyboards and the Stream Deck with me as I move around to help engage with people as I'm presenting things. So also, we could potentially go ahead and do a little bit of playing of the music as we go. So, migrating workloads to cloud. What will you keep on-prem? Yet another server farm. Or rather than playing along with the melody, you could just do maybe the background. Oh, sorry, gotta get rid of the pen here. I was I was going to annotate something like in here. We could just go and draw on the slide here. Oops, I'm not even in presentation mode. So we can, of course, go to change over to drawing mode and then choose a pen color on the Stream Deck. Go here. So let me go back a page. Sorry, back to the first page of lyrics here. So we can draw on this here if we wanted to annotate like over here, kind of like a bracket or something like that. And again, do your annotations, do your typing for demonstrations. And in like the command line, the IDE, do code if you're showing software development stuff, or just typing stuff in like a graphical web browser in like a console or something. So we can do all that. Again, drawing, typing, all that fun stuff. Switch scenes here. If you wanted to go like out from this camera here back to like this one over here, or over to like the one on the side here, you can just switch your scenes really easily. So it's really good. And again, if you wanted to play along with the thing that you're singing or whatever, you could go do kind of the background stuff you have, and then get the second hand involved in here, potentially. Probably a little bit better if I show you on the far out camera here, so you get a little bit more of the keyboarding involved if you wanted to see that, and just focus on the words so I'm not in the way as much here. We could do the kind of instrumentation, and then back down to this kind of note, and then the dun dun da, and then the migrating workloads to cloud. What will you keep on-prem? Yet another server farm, yet another virtual LAN. Every database and each server, you gotta decide what to do, which ones to retire or retain. However, take your technical debt and pay your dues. Migrating to cloud. So, again, depending on what you're trying to present, whether you're typing stuff, drawing stuff, want to change your camera angles, again, I can come back into this closer scene here. Gives a little bit more fluidity. So let me know what you think about the, whatever this is, the Keytar with the keyboards and the, I don't know, maybe it's the Brad board, or what do you think it should be called? Thanks. Oh, got to stop the Stream Deck. Bye.